So tonight we're just gonna do some super simple chicken breasts, a vegetable, and a side of noodles. So I know you all think we eat all this like incredibly rich food all the time, but we don't. This is a giant chicken breast. It's bigger than my hand. That's a lot of food. So, you know, to cut that down, we're gonna cut this, you know, in half, and it is about as easy as you can get. First thing I do is I take chicken breasts, and chicken breasts nowadays with all of the hormones and stuff that chickens are fed end up being really, really big. And it comes out moister because you're not overcooking the outside of your chicken. And cut all the way through. A little bit is just kind of cut it in half like this because that's thick. And you know, I want these to cook fast and still be really juicy. If you want to cook this much chicken and you only have 2 people, this is great over salads. Okay, so the next step is on both sides of the chicken, starting with this side, you just sprinkle on some salt. This is actually fresh ground pepper, and you just sprinkle some on top of the chicken. This is garlic powder, and this I'm a little bit liberal with. Ready to cook my chicken. And this is some heated butter and a little bit of oil. I'm just gonna saute it 2 minutes aside. You're gonna know when to flip it when all around the edges it's white instead of pink. You can see they're just starting to brown. I'm gonna flip them one more time so that they get nicely browned all the way around.
Meh. M-E-H. Meh.